Hello, welcome back to my travel channel. I'm Slayer2. So today I'm going to talk about important transportation from the Haneda Airport, the Tokyo Monorail. While I usually recommend the limousine bus for the airport access, the monorail serves as a vital link between the airport and central Tokyo, so directly connected all terminals and Hamamatsucho Station. I also uploaded another video talk about limousine airport bus, so please check it later. So now talk about the Tokyo Monorail is an efficient route from the Haneda Airport to major Tokyo area via Hamamatsucho Station, where you can transfer the Yamanote Line. The Tokyo Monorail provides direct access to major areas like Shibuya, Shinjuku, Ikebukuro, Tokyo, Shinagawa, and Akihabara and Ueno through the connection at the Hamamatsucho Station, where you can transfer to the Yamanote Line. And additionally, by alignment, the Tennozu Isle Station, you can switch to the Rinkai Line for Odaiba and the Tokyo Big Sight. So next, I'm talking about the three main advantages of the Tokyo Monorail. It's quick access to the Yamanote Line and frequent on-time service and scenic city view of the Tokyo waterfront, enhancing your travel experience with beautiful sights. The monorail offers the two rapid service and local stop service. The Haneda Express is the fastest connected to Hamamatsucho Station directly with the airport terminals. However, please note that the Haneda Express does not allow you to stop in an intermediate stations. If you plan to transfer to the Rinkai Line or any other station, be sure not board the Haneda Express as it won't stop until the airport. And next, the rapid service stop and major interchange stations, while the local service is suitable for those not in a hurry stopping at all stations. So next, operating from the early morning at 5 AM until midnight at 11 PM. The monorail ensures a timely and frequent service, making it easy to catch a ride without worrying about the timetable. If you need to travel to or from the airport late at night or early in the morning, consider using a bus or taxi instead. Okay, talking about fares, it costs 490 yen for a one-way trip from the Hamamatsucho Station to Haneda Airport. It's about $3 for one way. The monorail also includes luggage storage, making it convenient to travel with your suitcase. But though the space might be tight during the peak time, for more comfortable with your luggage, the limousine bus might be more better options. So, okay, this is explaining about the Tokyo Monorail. So, thank you for watching. If these informations are helpful for you staying in Japan, please hit the like buttons and subscribe this channel to get another information for travel in Japan. So, okay, have a safe travel and see you in next video. Goodbye.